Today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have Grandma's Orange Salad. And if you grew up in the 80s or the 90s and you had a grandma or grandmas, I guarantee you one of them made this fucking salad. So anyone about my age should remember this from their childhood. And if you're too young to remember that, well, then you grew up in the wrong era. But decent chance you also don't have crippling diabetes. All right, so to start off, we're going to get 2 cans of crushed pineapple, 2 16-ounce cans of crushed pineapple, and 2 16-ounce cans of mandarin oranges. And then you want to add 2 8-ounce containers of whipped cream, like Cool Whip or the generic equivalent of it. And then you want to grab about 4 ounces of maraschino cherries. And 1.5 ounces of shredded coconut. And then 10 ounces of mini marshmallows. You remembering this? Everybody remembering this now? Grandma'd bring that shit out like she is some goddamn gourmet dish. And I mean, it tasted all right, but I mean, how much sugar is in this? But it was the 80s. We were immune to sugar and its effects back then. So basically, you just want to stir this around till everything is incorporated. Pop the lid, you can see there, and you want to leave this in the fridge for at least 2 hours, but up to 24 to 48 for the flavors to basically blend together. And that's Grandma's Orange Salad. Done.